Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Another Love on violin. To begin, ensure your instrument is perfectly tuned to the standard G, D, A, and E strings. Focus on the main melody, which is quite accessible for those new to the piece. Proper left-hand positioning is crucial for clear notes, and a relaxed bow grip will help you achieve smooth, consistent strokes. We will break down the song into manageable sections, making it easier to learn. Let's dive into the opening phrase. The melody largely utilizes notes from the D major scale, making it familiar for many. Start with the open a string, then place your first finger for the note B. Practice the rhythm at a slow pace, counting 4 steady beats for each measure. Remember to use long, sustained bow strokes to produce a smooth and connected sound, which is essential for the song's emotional quality. Now, let's develop the chorus section. You will transition to the D string for some of the lower, richer notes. Pay close attention to the dynamics. The song often begins softly and gradually builds in intensity. For longer notes, try incorporating a consistent vibrato to add expressive depth. Focus on connecting your phrases smoothly, ensuring there are no abrupt breaks in the melody, which helps convey the song's heartfelt message. To truly refine your performance, consistent practice is key. Always use a metronome to maintain a steady and accurate tempo. Listen carefully to the original recording to fully grasp the song's profound emotional depth and nuances. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas where you can improve your technique or expression. Ultimately, focus on conveying the melancholic and heartfelt mood of Another Love through your playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.